Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're covering some major breaking news coming out of Michigan. As of this morning, nearly 400,000 people are sitting in the dark after a series of powerful thunderstorms tore through the state overnight. This isn't just your typical summer storm. This is something much bigger, and the impact is being felt all across Michigan. Let's dive into what happened and what's next for those affected. First off, let's talk about the storm itself. Late last night, a line of intense thunderstorms ripped through the state, bringing with them heavy rain, strong winds, and lightning. These weren't just scattered showers. This was a severe weather system that packed a punch, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Winds were reported to be as high as 70 miles per hour in some areas, knocking down trees and power lines like they were nothing. The result? A massive power outage that's left nearly 400,000 people without electricity. So, what does this mean for the people of Michigan? Well, it's not just about the inconvenience of not having lights. This is affecting every aspect of daily life. From spoiled food in refrigerators to homes with no air conditioning during a hot summer night, the power outage is causing serious discomfort and concern. Many residents are also worried about how long it will take to get the power back on, especially with reports of widespread damage to the electrical grid. Now, let's take a look at what's being done to fix the situation. Utility companies have crews working around the clock to restore power, but given the scale of the damage, it's going to be a tough job. Some areas might be without power for days, depending on the severity of the damage. Meanwhile, emergency shelters have been set up across the state to provide a place for people to stay cool and safe while they wait for the lights to come back on. So, what's next for Michigan? Unfortunately, the weather isn't letting up just yet. More storms are in the forecast, which could further complicate recovery efforts. For those still without power, it's important to stay informed and prepared. Make sure you have supplies like water, non-perishable food, and batteries on hand. And if you're in an area prone to flooding, keep an eye on the weather alerts and be ready to evacuate if necessary. In times like these, it's inspiring to see how communities come together to support each other. Whether it's checking in on your neighbors, volunteering at a local shelter, or simply staying patient while the power crews do their work, every little bit helps. If you're in Michigan or know someone who is, stay safe, stay informed, and take care of each other. That's all for today's update. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest news and events. Drop a comment below if you're in Michigan and let us know how you're holding up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.